QUIXX, repair it yourself. Unfortunately, chips in your windshield happen way too quickly. With the QUIXX Windshield Repair Kit, you can easily fix chips yourself, on the cheap, without going to the repair shop. With the QUIXX Do-It-Yourself Kit. The chip should not be larger than 1 inch. This one we can do. And here we go. Remove dirt and loose chips with the edge of the razor blade so that the resin can easily flow into the stone chip. Now place the base above the damage using the suction cups, centered with the hole above the chip. Next, screw the repair resin container into the base. The rubber seal on the resin container needs to seal the hole to the outside. After that, fill 3 to 6 drops of resin into the container. Then screw the pressure plunger into the container almost completely, so that the resin is spread into the damaged area and the air is pressed from the chip into the container. Check from the inside of your car if the resin is spread well. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now wait for 4 to 6 minutes. On we go. Unscrew the pressure plunger completely. Add a few drops of resin if necessary and screw the pressure plunger back in. For the best results, warm up the damaged area a little bit by using a hairdryer. This improves the flowability of the resin. If damages are still visible, repeat steps 2 through 8. Next, screw the container slightly counterclockwise and remove the tool completely. This looks pretty good already. Almost done. Apply a drop of resin on the repaired area and put the curing film on it. Place the middle of the film into the former hole of the damage. Afterwards, let the window cure under open sky or UV light. When the resin is cured, the film can be removed easily. Just remove the excess resin using the razor blade at an obtuse angle. Now clean the area again. There you have it. Inexpensive professional results and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself. And you can do this too, with a little skill and the right product. Don't forget to check out our other products. Take a look. QUIXX, repair it yourself.